The executive branch. The executive branch is where the laws made by Congress are enforced. The president is the head of this branch and official branch. We have put together some steps to making it easier to understand. First is how to become a president. Step 1. You have to be born in the United States and be a resident for 14 years. Step 2. You must be at least 35 years of age to run for president. Now that you have a better understanding how to become a president, we will show you the roles of being a president. The president can only serve 2 terms, veto or cancel legislation, issue executive orders or non-legislative directives that have the force, send U.S. troops into emergency situations, and has the power to agree to freedom from punishment or pardons.